Morning, everyone. So I've got a couple of requests for showing people how to fall asleep really quickly at night. And this is a technique that I've used myself on a number of occasions. And you have to remember, once you start this technique, it's kind of like a muscle. The more you practice it, the better you get at it, the faster you fall asleep. And when you practice this enough, you fall asleep and then you're waking up and your sleep is really deep. So what you want to do is in your mind you pull up a box, and in the box you put a plus. So you have four quadrants: top left, top right, bottom right. And the idea here is to paint those boxes with four colors, and then you think about it, and as you're thinking about it, it creates the Mobius continuum, or the infinity symbol, or the figure eight. So in the top left you'll go green, in the top right you'll go red, bottom left yellow, bottom right blue. Top left green, top right yellow, bottom left red, bottom right blue. And as you're thinking of each box, you're creating the figure eight. And you can use whatever colors you want in any order you want. But it's something you should practice every night before you go to bed, because what's happening is you are synchronizing the left and the right hand side, the hemispheres of your brain. And when you're in sync, you calm the mind and you start to float off very quickly. And the better you get at this, the faster you're moving it, the faster you synchronize both parts of your brain and you sleep. And you can also add a breathing technique to it. There's a really good one. It's called the 4-second rule. So you inhale for 4 seconds, you hold it for 4 seconds, and then you exhale for 4 seconds. And you do this for 1 to 3 minutes as you're practicing this. And what this part of the exercise does is it naturally creates more melatonin in your system. And with these two, in conjunction with both of these, you're going to fall asleep pretty quick. Give it a shot. Leave a comment or a like and let me know how you made out.